The cat-cow pose is a great spinal mobility exercise that can be done by pretty much anybody. There are particular injuries where you don't want to go into the extremes of each position, and if there's pain in those, please avoid them. But this is the cat-cow. Begin in a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. From here, we can do full movements into cat and cow pose. We can also do segmentation, moving each individual segment of your thoracic and lumbar spine into cat and oppositely into extension into cow. So from here, just working the full spine, we're going to go head down into flexion, and you're going to push your mid-back or thoracic spine to the ceiling. This is cat pose. We're going to then continue into extension, extending our low back and our mid-back and bringing our head into extension of the neck for cow pose. Now, the big part is segmenting each of these. So starting, in this case, at the top of your thoracic spine and slowly working down to your lumbar spine, segmenting each point or each vertebra. So we're going to go down. I'm going to push right at the base of my neck first, between my shoulder blades, about mid-back, lower thoracic spine, and finally lumbar. Coming down, I find it better to go from the lumbar spine up, so we're going to drop slowly into extension the lumbar spine, your thoracolumbar region, your lower thoracic spine, interscapular area, and upper thoracic spine. You can change this up and go from lumbar up, to individually work at particular areas that your practitioner may have pointed out or that you just may find stiff and tight. You can use a Theraband at that segment. So for me, let's say I'm a little tight through there. Put it in both hands, go back to that tabletop, and now I'm going to use just that point to work at into cat and cow. And cow. And you can work it down into different areas, and it helps to cue you to work those spots. And that is the cat-cow pose.